Today in this video, I will recreate on top 6 most advanced text animation tutorial on After Effects. Let's start the tutorial. First, mirror text animation.
Hi, my name is Peter Parker. You don't remember me, but we used to know each other. Because I'm not just Peter Parker. I'm Spider-Man.
Step 1. Create a text layer. Font name is Poppins. Follow my steps. Write the different text according your video dialogue. And alignment center. Select all text and change the blending differences and text make 3D. And rotate your text like this. Last step, select all layer, select italic text, second electrical spark text animation.
Who would be the most powerful Stormish person?
This text is very easy to create. This text is created from presets that are provided to you in the description. Check description below and download. I am using Tactixens font. Change the color blue. Copy my color code. Drag and drop my preset. Boom! Your text is ready. Add deep glow and drop shadow. Last step, add fade in and fade out animation. Apply your text animation completely ready. Third 3D text animation. First, write a text and font. Choose Bell MT. Choose Bell MT. Create new solid layer. Add Element 3D plugin. Change the output setting and go to Custom Layers and add text. Follow my steps. Go to Default Presets option and add Paramount presets. Follow my steps. Go to Particle Replicator . Add keyframe like this. Copy my keyframe and graph. Make sure select keyframe and press F9. Add deep glow and copy my setting. Add BCC Raise Puffy effect. Fourth, glitch text animation. I have made a dedicated video on advanced glitch text tutorial. Check description below. Fifth, handwriting text animation. First, add text and type. Change the font and I am using Beau Rivage font. Add gradient ramp. Add bevel alpha. Add deep glow. drop shadow. Follow my steps. Add stroke and copy my setting and follow my process. Six, number counting text animation.
Lisa's a rich man. When I have to face my problems, I show up in the back of a limo wearing a $2,000 suit and a $40,000 gold fucking watch.
Add green color and slider controller. Go to text property and find source text. Press Alt, open expression box and paste the expression providing on description. Follow my steps. Add deep glow and shadow. I hope enjoying my tutorial and completely understand my tutorial. Please don't forget like and subscribe.